was sent the Zulay 5-piece storage containers, and they have lids on each one of them. I really enjoy the Zulay company because it's a woman-owned company, family-owned. So I appreciate everything that they send with their lifetime warranties that they provide on most of their items. Each one of these containers are wrapped in here. They are 36 ounces. They are spill-proof containers because they've got these easily removable silicone inside. So you can take that out, easy to clean, and then put them right back in. It's dishwasher safe, microwave safe. These little lids, don't put those in there though. These are super heavyweight. It's a nice thick glass, and they hold 36 ounces of product inside of there. Each one of them is layered really nicely in here to avoid any breakage. So I'm going to take all of these out. You can actually stack them up, so that really helps with space saving as well. They have a locking mechanism on all 4 corners of the lid. So with this borosilicate glass, it's actually made to withstand temperature changes a lot better than other glasses are, just the way that that is processed through. So that way it won't crack and damage as quickly as other glass. It is still glass, so you're gonna have to watch it a little bit, but the way it's made, that will help with that temperature change. This does have a leak-proof design. To show you, I got a cup of water, put that inside my cup, and then put your lid on, and just make sure you snap all sides. And there's no water that's coming out. That is amazing. Nice thick glass, helps temperature changes, microwave them, oven safe. Pretty good win.